Hello everyone, my name is Abhay Sharma and I am alumni of Vidya Bharati Education Society. My school has been working as a pioneer in bringing sustainability in the society. During my school days, used to have various competition and rallies like essay competition, tech fest, etc. to create generation and consciousness among students regarding sustainability and clean environment. Our school has been doing various efforts, but with the time we need to scale up our efforts, and for this my school has done various things like they have created various infrastructures like water harvesting system, wastewater treatment plant using solar energy for school usage. Along with this, our school has been putting up efforts by creating awareness among parents in various by creating environment as a central theme in various activities like school function, tech fest, etc. But our school has been trying hard to create sustainability in the society, and for this our school has established a environment cell in which the students work on innovative ideas and technological interventions so that we will be able to reach to many people, and we will be creating innovations regarding the environmental impact and to harness the environment in a sustainable way. Along with this, my school is having 100,000 plus branches in all over the country. So we are implementing various things as per the conditions of our regions in which our schools are located. For example, in rural areas, we are creating pit water storage system, as well as in urban areas we are creating rainwater harvesting system. Along with this, we are using innovative ideas like the students are having lunch boxes, but a lot of things are getting waste in that. So we are creating various collection points in our school premises only, so that the wastage has the leftover is to be collected, and these things will be made available for feeding various animals or creating manure, etc. So in this way we are implementing various things. For example, the water, we are using storage of the leftover water of the students. So in this way we are creating an ecosystem so that we will be able to inculcate the habits of sustainability in our students, and these students will further these activities to their family, and this will create a society in which sustainability will be at the core. This our main focus is on the program that is True Bloom campaign, which is having focus on the on creating an ecosystem of infrastructure like rainwater harvesting system, wastewater treatment in all the school premises we are having. And after that, we are implementing these with the help of various NGOs, various civil society organizations. And to boost our efforts in this, we will be requiring your competition, because your competition will be providing us the publicity, the resources, and these publicity and resources will help us to engage more with these civil societies and government. For example, Atal Tinkering Lab scheme of our government, which will be established in our school, if we will get the publicity and the resources, that will help a student to get more innovative ideas and function along with government and create a wider reach of the things. Along with this, various corporate companies are using their funds in corporate social responsibility. These funds will be engaged with us, and we will be creating a better resources and better innovative ideas for the students. Thank you very much. It will be a great pleasure if we will be reaching finals or we will be winning this competition, because that will help us to create a better environment in our country, and we will be able to input our efforts into sustainability development goals of 2030 of United Nations.